Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Kalk and welcome to my week 2 video review for MDF3 1410. I'm just going to start off here by going over a little bit of the code I used this week. To start off, what I found difficult this week wasn't a whole lot that I found difficult. It was more so just refactoring my code that was the kind of time consuming part. I made a actual data class now to help with my array list to store all my information, so that was a little time consuming, just building out all that. And then yeah, just mostly for just refactoring my code. It took most of the time. Everything else went pretty smoothly this week. I'm just going to start off here again, just going over a little bit of the code. As you can see here right at the top, I set all my different URIs and as well ints for my drawables, and then I just add it all into a song data class in the array. That way everything stays in sync and there's never anything that gets out of sync using that method. In my actual code here, starting in the onStart command, there isn't a whole lot different. I just actually set a handler and a post delay to do the updates to my song. Song update is actually a runnable that I use. This keeps my seek bar in sync. So this is just setting everything up for the sync bar. And as you can see, I added a couple other things as well. There's an image here that I had to add in, as well as I had to add in shuffle, but I'll get to more of those later on. In the on destroy, again, I actually take the handler and remove the callback now, as well as I save my switch status for shuffling the songs. And then in on play is pretty simple. It was just adding an if statement. If there was the shuffle song is selected, I just figure out what, and then while next song is equaling my int, then I just go along and make my next song the shuffled int. So it's a random number between 0 and 5, whatever the size of the data is. So if I had 7 songs, it would be that many. And then down here, it just goes into the normal flow of the app. Nothing's really changed in here at all. So then we can go down here, play a skip song. I added it in there as well for any songs that are skipped. And we'll continue down here. There's, again, not a whole lot that's changed in my actual code. Keep going down to unprepared. Here I actually make a toast that displays the music time for the current song. So I figure out all the song data here. I set any of my fragments I need to set. And then again, shuffle, I make sure I set that as well in the unprepared, because you can change it back and forth during songs. And then I run the notification as usual. And here's the runnable for updating my song. It's nothing too special. I have a global variable called song start, and I just equal it out to the current position. I set the progress here in the seek bar, and then my handler, I have it as a post delayed. It just calls this runnable every, and as you can see, I had to pass in an int as well. And the rest of the code down here is the exact same as it was previously. I had to add an M position in here for the skip song, because if I had paused, it would start the next song where the last one left off in terms of time, so just zeroed the position out so it started right from the beginning. And then down here is the shuffle boolean, and if shuffle songs is true, it calls on play. So I have everything up and running here. I'll just demo the app. So as you can see, on play, I had to add in the image here in my UI, and then if we hold this down, I also have to add the image here in the notification, so I got that running. And so I also had to do the portrait and landscape. As you can see, everything works the same, everything runs, so everything's working as intended there. And we can just keep running the app as well in the landscape mode here. So we can stop. Let's go to shuffle. I press play. Now it just shuffles the song, so I have the shuffle working. As you can see, the seek bar is also working as intended. Those were the other two additions I had to make this week. If I back out, go back in, you can see the seek bar keeps playing where it left off. So everything is going as intended. If I skip, skips to a random song. If I turn shuffle off, it plays the songs as intended. If I turn it on again, it'll just randomly play songs. So everything as of right now is working as intended. I had all 4 changes needed finished. I hope everyone else had a fantastic week 2, and I look forward to looking at all your projects and look forward to week 3. Thank you.